Yes, upcomings. I'll continue singing this song until you hear me. What am I trying to say? You are there, you are an upcoming. In singing, in preaching, in content creating. Come here, let us team up for us to grow. We hau, we muini urayukiriria, we muhunjia urayukiriria, we content creator urayukiriria, we muini winite muno winagira bafu, ugithie na bara, githaka ukiuna ngo, we niwe ndiretha. Come here, let us team up for us to grow. Follow me, I follow you. I want us to get together. We get our handles together for us to follow each other, view others' content, others' music, others' preachings, for us to grow on ourselves. Let us try and start on our own legs. Why? Because no tugerie muno kwenda kunyitwo moko na aria makureire industry ni no mende gutunyita moko no mangitunyita nginya ha ukai tunyitane moko tukure hamwe. I'm still looking for you. Wanja Karaoke Facebook, Wanja K TikTok, Wanja K YouTube. Give me a follow. Let us team up. Let us reason together. Tujue where are we going to start for us to grow. Come wige koya gadiri when we direda. Come, let us team up. And again, siwezi sahau kushukuru for those who are giving me a follow. Thank you so much for your support. And I believe, upcomings, you are going to gather here. We team up for us to grow. I'm still looking for you.